Good morning. Winter storm warnings and advisories still in effect across just about the entire state. In pink, the warnings until 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. And of course, in blue, winter weather advisories. And that goes until 11 o'clock tomorrow morning because we're not done with the system yet. Things are winding down, but we're still going to get more snow out of the system. And of course, the bitterly cold temperatures and the wind. Here's a look at the latest on the snow. Still seeing more snow move through the metro area right now, moving across the Big I and along I-40 just east of 25, and of course across the San Diaz Mountains there, and that's going to continue to move on to the north and east. We're still seeing more snow across the Sangre de Cristo Mountains and the Jemez Mountains near Santo Domingo Pueblo, up near Santa Fe. That snow also moving on to the east and then across the eastern part of New Mexico. Just very spotty light snow. Fort Sumner headed toward Clovis, Portales. You may see a few isolated light snow showers over the next couple of hours as we head through the morning. And then in the southern part of the state, isolated snow showers still continue here in Carrizozo, also the Sacramento's, Ruidoso, and you're going to see plenty more of this, especially this afternoon and overnight tonight as round 2 moves in of this winter storm system. You can see most of the heavier stuff is now moved on out well to the east over Texas and getting into the plains there, but for us still seeing some lingering snow across the central mountain chain in the central part of the state, and of course the lingering cloud cover. Another weak disturbance is going to move through, and that's going to mean more snow later this afternoon, especially for the east slopes of the central mountain chain and perhaps even the metro, getting in a few more inches of snow, especially this afternoon and tonight. So we'll track it with Superstorm Track as we head through the morning. Again, most of it central and now across the east and northeast. As we head toward the lunch hour, the next disturbance moves through and we could see more snow start to develop across the Four Corners area. Of course, higher terrain, the western part of the state and the central mountain chain. And of course, for the metro area, we could see a little snow by your lunch hour. Better chances though move in as we head toward 5 o'clock. Scattered snow across much of the central part of the state, and of course down in the Sacramento Mountains, you could pick up another 1 to 2 feet of snow there. And then Superstorm Track continues as we head through Wednesday. Snow across a lot of the state, central and western New Mexico, but through Wednesday morning. But by tomorrow afternoon, finally, things start to slow down here. Spotty light snow will continue, but we will see things dry out. After that, the colder weather, though, is going to be sticking around. Of course, wind a big factor. Already picking up quite a bit of snow in the northeast. That's blowing around with winds sustained at 25 to 30 miles per hour, 23-mile-per-hour winds in the metro as of this hour, making it feel much colder than it is. 15 to 25, near 30 degrees below zero wind chill factor in the northeast. Dangerous wind chill conditions there. 2 is what it feels like in the metro, and even below zero wind chill factor down in the southeast as well. Your forecast now region by region for the northwest: cloudy, snow showers on and off this afternoon and tonight. 27 in Durango, 31 in Farmington, and then down into the single digits tonight, below zero tomorrow night with highs only in the teens for both Durango and Farmington, continuing with a small chance for a little light snow early tomorrow, but then dry by tomorrow afternoon. South and west cloudy with snow again continuing through the day. Temperatures topping out in the low 30s, then down into the teens and 20s tonight. South and east snow showers, windy conditions, highs only in the teens for many of you. 20 in Fort Sumner, 28 in Roswell, then down into the single digits tonight. Roswell dipping down to 8 degrees and only in the teens for highs tomorrow, back into the 20s for your Thursday, and there is still a chance for a little snow this afternoon and tonight. North and east snow, frigid conditions, highs only in the single digits to around 10 to 11 degrees, that will may hit 16 in Conchas, then down to 5 to 10 degrees below zero tonight. Northern mountain snow, windy and cold with highs for most places only in the teens, then 10 to 15 degrees below zero tonight. Angel Fire nearly 20 below tonight, continuing with the snow through tomorrow morning. By tomorrow afternoon, tapering off with a high of only 11 for Santa Fe. And your forecast now for the East Mountains shows more snow on and off through the day and overnight tonight. Windy with highs in the low 20s, below zero tonight. For the metro area, looking at some light snow possible this afternoon, and then overnight tonight with temperatures in the upper 20s, then down into the single digits tonight. Highs only in the teens tomorrow. The snow tapers off tomorrow afternoon, then highs only in the 20s for your Thursday.